Alright guys, I just cleaned out, well, barely cleaned out, still a lot of dust in there. Took the grill off, had the CD out. I opened the CD up, I took the case off and all that. And because my drive, I just had to tap it to get it to come out. Because it is a piece of crap, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna go up to Radio Shack or Best Buy tomorrow, buy an 80mm fan and stick it right here, so that air gets sucked in more from here and then blown down through here and then out. Oh, just trying to, you know, cycle through, get all that dust out. But yeah, there it is. It opened. But and this. And then usually I'm probably gonna do it later. A Jtag will go on the points behind the grill or right here thing. I'll do it. I'll find out and everything. It's good. None. Alright. All done. Focus. Alright, peace out.